Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today and for this week. Before looking into that, let us see what happened last week and what we expected last week. The chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means all the single candlestick here represents 1 hour, and whenever I place the cursor on a particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. These vertical dotted lines indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. And we have moved to the next contract because this current contract is likely to expire soon, so we are moving to the next contract. You can see this what happened. Let us go back and see what happened last week. And this was the price opening that happened on last week. You can see this tiny black color candlestick, and we all know that crude was staying in downtrend, and we expected the trend to continue last week till 4,700. You can see that the last contract we were targeting 4,760. That was equal to 4,800. Now we have marked a clear zone of 4,800 and 4,820, and the average is also staying within the zone. And we can see that on Monday the price went up and tried to hit this 4,800 and then came down. So this 4,800 was acting as a resistance. You can see how we have picked this zone as a resistance. On Friday also, you can see on 7th the price went up and tried to hit this 4,800 and there was a drop. On Monday the same thing happened again. Tuesday the price opened lower and the price made this 4,720 as a support. Now this 4,760, which was supporting the price earlier, is acting as a resistance. This is how we can see how a support and resistance interchanges itself. So from 4,720 the price went up and hit 4,760 and it came down again, and we can see that this 4,720 was made as a support. From there the price went to tried to hit this 4,800 again, but it was a failure. But at last, at the end of the closing time, the price was quite successful in breaking this 4,800, but it could not close above that. The next day the price opened lower, and now we can see again this 4,760 provided as supporting platform. So from there you can see the price was consolidating within 4,760 and 4,800. So on Friday what happened? The price again went and tested this 4,800, but again it was not successful in breaking this 4,800. The price came down and closed near the we find a closing around 4,787. So on seeing the entire price action, we can say that the price initially in the first half of the week the price was dominated by the sellers. The market stayed in line with the trend, and the second half also the price was staying in line with the trend, but it is consolidating. So you can see the price was consolidating for a long time, particularly on Thursday and Friday. This type of consolidation happens during the contract expiry time most often, since the contract is likely to expire. So this type of consolidation is more likely to happen, but it is, you can see there is a potential chance for trend reversal and also potential chance for continuation of the trend, because you can watch this average converging at a particular resistance point. So today's price opening is going to be a crucial thing. If the price breaks 4,800 and if it puts something above 4,820, and if it can sustain this, then the price will reverse its trend. So the criteria for uptrend was the price should strongly break 4,800 and 820. That is the reason why we have marked the two zones, and it should stay comfortably above this, so that the price can really push forward to 5,000 zones. So if it is successful, so then we can expect 4,900 and 5,000. But today also, if it fails to make 4,000, break 4,000, and if it puts some closing below this 4,760, so it is going to be the continuation of downtrend. So today is going to be a very crucial day. Normally we had seen enough consolidation last week on Tuesday and Thursday, Friday. The market consolidated a lot, and also this is going to be the year end. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. As far as today's price opening is concerned, based upon the NYMEX price, it is expected to open somewhere around 4,790. So that we don't expect much difference in the price opening, but it is also subjected to changes based upon where the rupee is staying. So watch where the rupee is staying around 9 o'clock and you can decide data. So thanks a lot and happy trading. Take care. Bye.